All right, this time around we got ourselves a Mike's Pro Lid helmet. The customer already ordered it in orange, so that's what I had as a base. All right, go ahead and hit the whole thing with some gray Scotch Brite and make sure you wipe it down, because as you can see from here, it doesn't look bad, but once you see that, you don't want that in your paint job. You wanted a Statue of Liberty on one side of the helmet, so found an image off of Google, got it to the size I wanted, and started doing a trace out with a low-tack tracing vinyl. Now I'll put the positive on there, and then I can go ahead and puzzle piece the negative around it so I know exactly where I'm putting the image. Mix me up some green, and it was just a green that I mixed up. I didn't have any kind of code. I just looked at the picture, had some green, threw some white in there, got the color I needed. I use a lot of photocopies because if it's what they want, why not just go ahead and print it out and just cut it out? So it's almost like a large stencil I'm using. Kind of got all the shapes I need, and what I do is I keep every piece I'm dealing with, so I never throw any of it away. I'll make sure I keep all the pieces though, in case I need to do some like back shadowing or back highlights. Right here is where it really helps out using a photocopy, because I'm cutting out all the black spots. I'm spraying them on there. I'm just kind of blocking them in, and it gives me a mapping of the face. So basically I'm just kind of filling it in. Like I said, I don't throw anything away, so I still have the shoulder piece. Put it up there, get a nice sharp black line around it, and then just go in and do my little details on it. Go ahead and give a little highlight in the crown area. You can see I put some little more detail into it. Keep working on the face, kind of bring it out a little bit more, and then it looks pretty good to me. So I put a little shadow around it. I like to put a shadow on it so it doesn't look like it's just a sticker stuck on the side of the helmet. A little bit of shading kind of makes it pop out a little bit more. Pretty much same process as the other side was. Do some tracing on it. Now this side's going to be more of a graphic. It's just going to be like a black and orange, two colors. And you see there I say save, because sometimes the stuff gets confusing and you'll cut out the wrong thing and throw the wrong piece away. So don't feel bad if you go ahead and have to mark all your stuff up. And right here, I'm just kind of blocking in that color real quick. After I go ahead and do my blocking in the color, I start to airbrush it and soften it up a little bit, give it some highlights, some shadows. And being that it's already been sprayed and cleared orange, I can go in there and scrape away and give it some hair highlights. You can see right here, I've had too much black on one side. I'm basically just scratching it away to kind of give it some more depth around its head, because the clear coat is acting as a protective barrier for the orange base. And with this, I just went ahead and found some lettering online, tricked it out a little differently to kind of fit my needs, curved it around the brim, put down the positive sticker of it, unpeel it, sprayed a little bit of black around it, unpeel it, and there you go. Taped off each little letter and put some shadows on to make them all kind of stand out. Hit it with about 2-3 good coats of clear. There we go. Well, there it is, all done up, looking pretty. Got any questions, ask away. Hope I was able to answer something for you. And see you on the next time. Later.